Hi everyone, I'm Nicola from the Grays Retreat and I'm going to talk to you and show you how to use the Hydramist from the Dermalogica range. This is the Age Smart range, so this is for more of an ageing skin. So after you've pre-cleansed, cleansed with your prescribed cleanser, exfoliated, maybe done a mask as well, you will then tone your skin. So you've jumped out of the shower, you've dried your skin all off, it's all nice and clean. You're then going to spritz your skin. So you're about 30 centimetres away from the skin and then you go across, spritz, 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 spritz. Don't forget neck and chest area. And then the best way to help that penetrate the skin is to pat it in. There's quite a few toners in the range, Dermalogica range, so it's finding out which one works for you, which one suits your skin type. So the Hydramist is an antioxidant, so that's really going to help anti-aging, firming, smells lovely, but it's really nice and firming to the skin, and it's really going to protect your skin from free radicals, pollution, anything like that happening. Pat it into the skin, and then you're good to go, ready with your serums and your moisturisers. You would do this morning and night after you've cleansed and cleaned your skin. Okay, there'll be more information about the Hydramist underneath. Thank you, bye.